All right, guys, welcome to part 2 of Make Trading Simple. All right, so now that we have an update on what's going on with NZD USD on a daily time frame, I'm going to show you how this works with the indicator. Okay, so knowing how to trade is key when you're using any type of indicator. Okay, the indicator I came up with, guys, is just for confirmation. That's the only thing we use the indicator for. All right, the real secret in this is drawing your trading ranges. Okay, so that we have a bearish trading range right here, and I showed you how price came down from this swing high to this swing low, came up into our sell zone. This is our sell zone here, came up into it perfectly, okay, and rejected and came down. Okay, so let's go to the indicator and show you what you can see on the indicator. Okay, so on the indicator, guys, we had a cheat code sell signal. Okay, with this cheat code sell signal, those are extremes that happen in the market. So when price comes outside of this band, that's an extreme that's happening in the market. Okay, that gives me indication that price is going to reverse. All right, so we had tons of confluence here. The first one was price hit our 47 moving average. All right, and it's still red, as you guys can see. So that means price, the trend is still down. Our overall market structure of NZD USD is bearish. Okay, so that means if you want to succeed with trading, it's best to try to always trade with the trend. So that's the second confluence. Third confluence is that we have a confirmation. Third confluence is our trading range. Okay, that we drew up. Price entered into our sell zone. Okay, so that will be our third confluence, and we had some price rejection, which will be our fourth confluence. And then also we had our fifth confluence, which our confirmation indicator gave us a cheat code sell signal, as you guys can see, a cheat code sell signal. So all we had to do is go down to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, as you guys can see, we got some news that spiked up, but price, no matter what the news does, guys, price always follows trend. So that's key for you to realize. No matter what the news says, this is just a fake out to fake people out and think that price is going to reverse or continue to go up. No, you always want to follow the trend on the higher time frame. The higher time frame rules all. Okay, so again, we had another cheat code sell signal. Price is inside of our sell zone, and price dropped. Okay, let's see how many pips did it drop here. Let's start from here, because I would have got in right there. Price has already dropped 122 pips. All right, already 122 pips, and we can look for price to continue to drop to attack these lows down here. Okay, the price will continue to drop again to test this low. This is still our bearish trading range, so we're looking for price to get down to this area. All right, so if you wanted to get in on NZD USD, what you would do, guys, is wait for the pullback. Price is going to pull back, maybe to this 4-hour support. 4-hour resistance or a 1-hour resistance, and then you can look for price to continue down. All right. So I just wanted to do that real quick and show you guys how to make trading simple. So again, there's only two ways to trade. You're either trading the impulse or you're trading the correction. All right, so let me show you on daily time frame again. All right, let me turn the indicator off so you guys can see this clearly. This right here, guys, is the impulse. Right, this will be the correction. Now we're looking for price to impulse again. It's just that simple. You're either trading the impulse or you're trading the correction. Know where you are in the market. Drawing your trading ranges helps you to know where you are in the market and in which direction you need to be trading. All right. So all we got to do, guys, is find the trend on the higher time frame, wait for price to get to a higher time frame, supply or demand zone. If you're trading the higher time frame, price got to a higher time frame supply zone, and you go down to your entry time frame, which mine is the 15-minute time frame, and trade in the direction of the higher time frame. It's just that simple. So just wanted to make this quick video for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this information that I brought to you. Hopefully I broke it down clearly. If you want more mentorship like this, join our coaching program, guys. You'll be able to get access to the indicator. You'll get access to some of the trade ideas that I have throughout the week. I'm here to help you in any type of way so you can too become a profitable trader, guys. It's all about having a set of rules that you stick to and follow. And if you follow these set of rules that we have in place, guys, you too can be successful at trading. All right. So thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.